This is another project. This is a Howard CR51 Rotavator, which we've been given, but literally that is seized, but we'll be doing videos of how to repair and fix, so there's plenty of things like that. This is how we did our tomato plants. Buckets, no holes, it's wicking, and then the chopped straw on top, which we did have in here, but unfortunately they've had to go because they ended up with tomato blight. So yeah, this is our big greenhouse with its, so but yeah, another winter project with all the bits in the barrow. So our projects.